best inventors, and one of them came up with a very bright idea that has really taken off. Ian Osborne created the Wild Ideas Light Company, which creates custom-made, high-intensity LED lighting systems. His product is so energy efficient. Ian, you have become one of Xcel Energy's preferred providers.
Yes.
That's incredible. Tell us about your wild idea.
Well, we came up with some pretty unique ideas of being able to take your standard outdoor product line, small decking, all the way up to commercial industrial applications, and change the way that the world views how the energy is spent. So we take a product and we either customize it and take and save anywhere from 50 to 75% of the energy, produce more light efficiently with less heat output.
That's what we've been hearing for so long about LED lighting, is that not only is it great lighting, but it's so much more energy efficient. And whether you like it or not, we all have to go towards the LED lighting. Right on January 1st, part of the Energy Act kicked in, and you can no longer buy the 100-watt light bulbs, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
The Energy Act states that you now are replacing a 100-watt light bulb with a 70-watt light bulb. And they're going to phase all the way out from a 40-watt all the way up to a 100-watt light bulb. So commercial industry is going to be affected in 2014. So I've got to jump on it. So.
Yeah, this is the way of the future now. You started this company about 7 years ago, so you really kind of got ahead of the game. But tell me kind of where you're focusing, you know, as far as these are really big lights here. These aren't for homes, right?
No, these are commercial industrial application lights. They're designed to replace street lights as well as parking garages and wall packs, uplighting, big huge wall washes. So we have an eclectic mix of different types of lights for the commercial industry.
And you custom make these?
Correct. The product is made here in Colorado. We have 98% of it's made in the United States. 2% we have no choice but to get it from overseas, small components just like end cap. But everything is made here in Colorado. It's, you know, we strive to be able to bring business back to the Colorado industry. So.
A lot of companies have already jumped on board. Here are some of your happy customers. Kind of walk us through this.
We've got a car dealership out in Aurora. This one we have a warehouse. We actually showed what we can do in a ice rink with one light against all other lights turned off. Buildings. This is an example of one on an actual pole. This is at a car dealership. As you can see, it's lighting up the dealership. They received approximately 74% savings on their first energy bill.
74%?
After,
first
yes.
one?
Yep. So we're replacing a 1,000-watt light bulb, and we're doing it for 186 watts. So
that's incredible.
This is kind of a design of that, but smaller version of what they were showing.
This is one reason why you would be one of the preferred providers from Xcel Energy, and they're still offering rebates to businesses. Correct. As well as homeowners, right?
Yes, they have a preferred status, what they call prescriptive, and then they have a custom line. We go under the custom line because we're doing custom products for that clientele.
This is incredible. Now, Ian, you were also telling me, you know, you kind of lived both sides. You used to get a lot of things from China, but now you're almost all, 98% U.S., most of it here in Colorado. You're a seventh-generation Coloradan. You really like to keep the money here locally. And I really like the point you made very quickly, you know, comparing China to U.S. and the prices, because so many people think, oh, if it's from China, I can get it a lot cheaper.
Well, by doing it here in the United States, we saved on tariff fees, customs fees, shipping fees. So we took that and put it towards the product line to be able to bring the pricing down lower so that we can actually compete against China, and we are competing very well against China's product line.
Wild Ideas Light Company, Ian Osborne. We love inventors like you.
Thank you.
It's very impressive. For more information, just call him, 720-933-4784, 720-933-4784. You can also go to his website, wildideaslightco.com. Thanks, Ian.
Thank you.
Well, if you've got a great idea for a product yourself, visit inventorsroundtable.com. They've helped dozens of local inventors successfully enter the marketplace over the last 6 years. They meet every month in Denver, Loveland, also Colorado Springs. They also travel around the state and hold inventor boot camps. inventorsroundtable.com. Well, why not?